Assalamualaikum. My name is Afia Altab Sheikh. I am in first class. I am reading two letters word. M A N A T at A S as I S is I T eat I N in if M E me B H he W we U P up U S us my by by on of or ox go so no